Have you ever wanted to turn your creativity into a business but didn't know where to start? Whether it's making handcrafted jewelry, scented candles, or unique wall art, launching a small creative business can be fun, fulfilling, and profitable. In this video, I will walk you through small, simple, and creative business ideas. No fancy equipment, no huge budget, just pure passion and smart strategies. Stick around till the end. Number 1. Resin art creation. Want to turn your creativity into cash? Starting a resin art business is easier than you think. You get to express your artistic vision and create unique, stunning pieces. Resin art is trending with strong demand for custom jewelry, home decor, and functional art. With the right pricing and marketing, you can turn a hobby into a lucrative business. You can start small with minimal investment in resin, pigments, and molds. Number 2. Wall art and prints. Starting a wall art or prints business is a great opportunity for creatives. People always seek unique decor for homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Digital prints allow you to sell the same design multiple times, increasing profit margins. You can begin with digital designs and print on demand, reducing upfront investment. Express your artistic vision and build a unique brand. Number 3. Scented candles. The home fragrance industry is booming, with more people buying candles for relaxation, decoration, and aromatherapy. Candles are popular gifts for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. You can start from home with minimal equipment and materials. You can scale from small handmade batches to a full-fledged brand. Candles have a low production cost but can be sold at premium prices. Unique, customized, or luxury candles can command even higher profits. You can experiment with unique scents, colors, designs, and packaging. Number 4. Desk organizers. With more people working from home and organizing their spaces, desk organizers are essential. You can create unique, stylish, and functional designs tailored to different tastes. People are willing to invest in high-quality, aesthetically pleasing workspace solutions. You can start with small-scale production using materials like wood, acrylic, or resin. Sustainable and minimalist designs appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Number 5. Customizable pillows and cushion covers. Home decor is a growing industry and people love personalized items for their spaces. Customers enjoy unique designs, personalized names, codes, and custom prints. High-quality custom pillow covers can be sold at a premium price as well. Start small with print-on-demand, handmade embroidery, or fabric painting. Number 6. Personalized mugs or tumblers. Personalized mugs or tumblers are popular for gifts, businesses, and personal use. Unique designs, names, codes, or logos makes them special for customers. You can start with print-on-demand services or a small heat press setup. It is perfect for birthdays, weddings, corporate giveaways, and special occasions. Number 7. DIY lip balm kits. Starting a DIY lip balm kits is a fantastic opportunity. People love natural, homemade, and customizable beauty products. Basic ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, and essential oils are very affordable. DIY kits are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and self-care gifts. You can offer different scents, flavors, and packaging options. You can also use sustainable ingredients and packaging to attract eco-conscious customers. Number 8. Minimalist jewelry. Minimalist jewelry is trendy, timeless, and appeals to a wide audience. Materials like gold-plated, sterling silver, and beads are affordable. You can offer personalized initials, birthstones, or engraving for a unique touch. Small, high-quality pieces can be sold at premium prices. Number 9. Hair accessories. Starting a hair accessories business is a smart move. Hair clips, scrunchies, headbands, and bows are always in style. You can start with fabric, beads, or resin without a huge investment. Fashion trends change, but hair accessories remain essential. You can offer personalized, handmade, or themed designs for different occasions. Number 10. Plant kits. More people are embracing indoor plants for home decor and wellness. Seeds, soil, pots, and packaging are affordable and easy to source. Sustainable and green products attract environmentally conscious buyers. It is great for beginners, kids, and plant lovers alike. Start with small DIY kits and expand into subscription boxes or gift sets. All these 10 products can be sold through online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or through own websites, as well as on social networks like Instagram and Facebook. Starting a small creative business is all about passion, persistence, and smart planning. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and creativity, you can build something truly amazing. Which creative business idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and inspiration. See you in the next one. Happy creating!